Our ShowStoppers at CES 2018 coverage is proudly powered by Amazon. Help support our content by going to PLuGHiTzLive.com/Amazon. Hey guys, Scott here with PLuGHiTz Live, part of the Tech Podcast Network. I am at ShowStoppers at CES 2018, and I am in front of a big glowing wall. We'll find out about that in a second, but go ahead and introduce yourself for me.
So yeah, my name is Christian, and I'm one of the co-founders of Nanoleaf, a Canadian, Toronto-based green tech startup. Okay. And what we do are super energy efficient and modular LED light panels. Okay. Light panels. That's the wall that is behind you. Yes.
Okay, so this wall behind me, all of these pieces are modular and customizable?
Correct. So I can plug it out and I can just, there you go, and I can just plug it in here and it'll integrate very quickly with the rest of the system. Yeah, give it a sec, there you go.
There it goes?
Yeah.
Wow, okay, so that, obviously it pulled out really easy, but it's stable enough that it's just standing there right now.
Yeah, because it's very lightweight. So it's only 1 watt of energy usage. We're a green tech company, so it's very low energy, and it's very light. It's only 200 grams, so you can simply use double-sided tape, made in the USA, to stick these to the wall or your ceiling, right? So very easy to build. Okay. So anyone can build it and have that design freedom. Yes.
How is this standing here right now?
Well, that's a good question. We were a little rushing coming here, but we actually just made a modular wooden stick. Okay. Yeah, like a tree. And it's quite light, right? And that's one of the great things that even events companies or people that take this and power it with a power pack at camping, it's very easy to hang or stick anywhere. I think that's one of the great things about doing this with having this capability with LED lighting.
Well, a couple of us from the company used to host a TEDx event, and I could totally see this as part of the stage setup.
As a matter of fact, good question. It was used in Toronto, TEDx. So we are from University of Toronto, so Toronto loves us, and we were able to get my CEO, of course, our great CEO, spoke at a TEDx event with the light panels. Awesome. We also had a great collaboration with TEDx in Zurich, in Switzerland. So stage lighting, events lighting, marketing is very easy to use because they can assemble it up and knock it down very, very quickly.
That's really cool. I could also see it in like a TV studio. It's been used in some dramas in Asia, I believe in India, and also of course North America, but we sometimes don't know because it's just in the background. Yeah. That's really cool. So I have to ask, where did this idea for something so both obviously ridiculous and fun all in one, where did this come from?
So basically we got our name for making the world's most energy efficient light bulb. This was in Kickstarter about 4 years ago, in 2013 I believe. And from that, and after the last 3-4 years, we progressed into pushing smart super energy efficient lighting, but we wanted to change the form factor. We wanted to make it beautiful. We wanted to move away from light bulbs, right? Away from sockets. LED technology has been around for 30 years, but the price has not been adoptable. It's not been cheap enough, and we want to make it so that any consumer can snap it in and change the form factor so they can put it anywhere in their home, so that it's thin and it's easy to install. Yeah.
And it's fascinating to look at.
Yes. There's a lot of things you can address each panel with. Different colors. There's millions of colors you can choose from, right? Of course, we're integrated with HomeKit, Alexa, IFTTT, Google Assistant, right? So you can use voice control. And actually, what we're releasing this year is the Nanoleaf remote. So this 12-sided dodecahedron remote is able to control the scene of this wall. Yes, you're able to control the brightness by turning it left and turning it right. Yes. So I don't want to kill the camera right now, but yes, the brightness this is Bluetooth to our rhythm module. Now I forgot to mention, this rhythm module is a high sensitive microphone. So it's actually picking up sound, voice, speech, music, and it will actually visualize the sound that it picks up. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I guess now I have a couple of questions about how it functions. First, each one is addressed as like as an LED pixel, I imagine?
Yes, yeah. So we have our proprietary layout detection on our app. So basically, whatever design you create will show up on your phone. Yeah, iOS, Android. And through that, you can address each panel very easily.
And how many can I have total in my array?
So it's actually with one controller, we call it one controller, which is on the bottom of the floor, we're able to basically power about 30 to 40 panels. However, the new product that we're releasing this year in Q4 will be able to address thousands of panels. Yeah. So we're getting better and smarter in how we develop our products. Yes.
And so obviously the microphone in this rhythm module is very sensitive because you've got the music pretty quiet and it's responding to it.
Yeah. It's probably picking up a lot of ambient noise. I mean, we have great programmers team in Asia as well, of course, at a head office in Toronto, who have developed algorithms to have beat detection and really know how to visualize the music based on the frequency that it picks up. Yeah.
That's really cool. And obviously they're on the market. You said it's been around for a little while.
Yes. Forgot to mention, so market points. Well, basically we're selling over 40 countries. Of course, North America being our biggest market. We're in Apple globally, Best Buy, all of North America. Basically, you can buy a 9-piece starter kit at $199 US, and we also have a expansion pack at, I believe, $49.99, 3 pieces. Yeah, and of course, you could buy from our online shop at nanoleaf.me.
And how many do we have here? Is this?
This is about 15. Yeah, 15 to 17. Yeah, yeah.
Very cool. Well, I definitely appreciate you taking the time to talk to me today because I am in love with this thing. I am trying to figure out how to distract you long enough to get out of here with it.
You got to get one in your bedroom. It'll wake you up in the morning.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even think about that.
Scheduler, yes, definitely.
All right. I really like this. We're going to be talking some more.
Sounds great.
Well, thanks for taking the time to talk to me.
No problem. Thank you very much.
For continuing CES 2018 coverage, stay tuned to PLuGHiTzLive.com/CES.